Hello everyone, my name is V, a junior chemistry major. During the last summer, I had an amazing opportunity to work as summer researcher at Vietnam National University, University of Science, under the supervision of chemistry department. Here is some interesting information about my host organization. As one of the two national universities in Vietnam, Vietnam National University, or VNU, has always kept its leading role in establishing the best educational environment and the most professional research institute for Vietnamese students. VNU is also the oldest modern university in Vietnam, first established in 1906 with its first name as the University of Indochina. And not until 1993 did it have its official name as VNU as it does today. University of Science is the member of VNU, and it focuses on 8 natural science subjects and its most famous fields that have their biggest contribution to the national education are math, chemistry, biology, geology, geography, and environmental science. The chemistry department has many scientific research held annually funded by the government. All the researches have great application in real life, especially in the field of pharmacy, environment, material, and agriculture. And it's very interesting to note that all the buildings belong to the university were built by the French in 20th century. So the university had a very cool and fascinating old French architecture style, which I really love, and this motivated me a lot to go to work every single day. And the mission of the University of Science is VNU University of Science is a research university aiming at high quality human resource education, talent cultivation, research development, and knowledge transfer in the fields of natural sciences for the building, development, and protection of the country. Its core values include advancement and creativity, social responsibility, cooperation, and friendliness, bringing the highest quality of education and service to students, as well as contributing its scientific research into the growth of Vietnamese community. So what is my internship about? There's a very popular organic toxicity named phthalate added to the plastic to increase the flexibility, transparency, and durability of the material. And this chemical can easily leak into the air and the environment like dust, water, and soil, causing many possible health issues for humans. So basically, what I did over the summer was collecting dust, soil, and water samples from the environment and from electronic waste area, doing some chemistry in the lab to extract the desired chemical, and using some special chemistry technique and instrument to determine the phthalate level in different types of sample from different locations in Vietnam. My goal for this internship was to be a part of a professional research team beyond Worcester to expand my knowledge in organic toxicity present in the environment and to improve my research skills and to learn more about the work of scientists in my home country, as well as expand my network with Vietnamese scientists. And the result of my internship were we have successfully find and measure dioxin and phthalate level present in soil and dust sample in Hanoi, and also I finally have many good friends who work with me in the lab, and I also learned many lab techniques and really improved my research skill. My experience during the 2-month internship were very amazing. The picture on the left was me working remotely during the first half of the internship. And due to the COVID-19, I had to work from home in June and were not able to go to lab working with chemicals and doing experiments. However, I spent this time reading many interesting research articles about the study subject and gained many useful background knowledge about the toxicity I was researching. I also helped my coworker compile and translate a lot of English documents and articles for the project. I also finished writing an introduction for the research article during this time in my mother language, which is Vietnamese. And after a month, I finally got a chance to go to the lab to experiment in person. The picture on the right were me extracting organic compounds from sewage sample before running analysis. Here are the two pictures of what I was working with during the summer. The left was the electronics recycling waste area where I went and collect plastic bottle and dust and send it back to the lab for more analysis. The picture on the right were the resulting sample solution after we did the extraction to get the desired organic compounds from the samples collected from the site. I really have learned a lot about my vocational interests after this internship experience. At the beginning of college, I was very interested in the field of green environmental chemistry, but I simply just like it because I am concerned about the environment and want to find a connection of my major chemistry to those fields. But after this internship experience, I have more clear orientation and a more specific area of interest I want to focus on, which is researching and working with green materials and eco-friendly products to alternate the use of materials that generate hazardous and toxic chemicals like plastic. I also learned to work using analytical chemistry techniques to find and determine the level of a chemical component present in the environment. And how is it impacting my academic life at Worcester and beyond? This research experience makes me become more serious about my academic life at Worcester, like really. Because having this experience helped me realize what piece of academic knowledge and lab practice I have missed or lack, or what kind of knowledge I have to improve and gain. So I was more concerned about my academic this semester and try to improve my knowledge about chemistry as much as I can by paying more attention to what I'm learning during the lecture or lab class and reading more scientific articles whenever I had a chance to. I also gained many important knowledge about analytical chemistry and organic chemistry during my internship this summer. These really helped me a lot in my analytical chemistry class this semester. And this experience also inspired me with some good idea for my IS, and this really equipped me with many good lab techniques that will definitely be useful for lab class and my independent research next year. This summer research did help me understand more about my vocational interests and also make me have a more clear view of the research life of Vietnamese scientists in my home country whose working environment and facility is far worse than in the States. So I really admire how devoted, talented, and passionate my Vietnamese co-workers are. That's all my internship about. Thank you for watching.